Have you ever heard the words mixed media art and thought, what the heck does that mean? Well, I'm here to tell you. The definition of mixed media art is simply any art project that involves two or more art supplies. That's all it means. So let's demystify that a little bit. Simply, usually a layer of a few different supplies. So you could have like acrylics with, say, gelatos or gel sticks on top. I'm looking at the paintings behind me. You could have collage. You could have a collage layer and then have acrylics on top. This is one of my most favorite mixed media layering systems. You can do mixed media intuitively where you're just slapping down a whole bunch of different art supplies and seeing what happens. That's fun. I actually like to structure my mixed media art projects in a very specific layering way so that I can use and create a variety of subjects, but they all use the same tried and true layers of different art supplies so that there's no surprises. You're not like, oh my God, I ruined it. You ever do that where you like add a liquid over something and it smears everywhere? I don't like surprises. So I figured out a lot of things. Click the link on the screen. It's gonna take you to an amazing playlist I curated of my favorite layering system called the Hamburger System, and that will show you exactly what I mean and how to get started.